Hey, Caitlin here, Snap It Nutrition Educator in Waldo County, Maine. I've got a quick one for you today, but we're going to make cauliflower two ways. Not the original plan in this video, but we got a bonus recipe out. Just stay with me. This is what I picked up at Hannaford. They had a beautiful rainbow, and I thought this is what I want in my refrigerator. I thought that I would use both the white cauliflower and the purple cauliflower, but the purple cauliflower ended up being plenty. So I just chopped it up into smaller pieces so it would fit in my food processor, mixed that up with the other ingredients that you can find in the link in the description box below, and then scooped it out into my mini muffin tin. I actually picked that one up at Job Lots last week for like $4 and I've used it like 10 times already. So then I chopped up the white cauliflower and tossed that in a bowl with about a tablespoon of a light oil, a ton of curry, a pinch of salt, and about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Then I tossed it together, put it on a pan, stuck it in the oven with the tots, and oh my gosh, you guys, look at how cute those little purple tots are. And the cauliflower, it tasted amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to post your creations to social media with the hashtag MaineSnapEd. And as always, head to mainsnaped.org for more.